In just 6 months, this channel gained 76,000 subscribers with only 21 uploads. This is hands down the hottest popping niche of 2025, and here's why. Just look at this channel. And this one too. Did you notice something? Check out how many videos they've uploaded and how many subscribers they've got. Now pause the screen and take a closer look at the topics they're making videos on. Same niche, similar uploads, similar explosive results. All of them are riding on one master viral idea, and chances are you don't know about it yet. But in this video, I'm going to reveal every single piece of the viral recipe they're using to blow up their channels in record time. Also, I know a secret monetization trick that you can use on your own channel to get the money in from your first upload. And this trick is so solid that these channels are not using it now. I will tell this trick in the end, so you will understand it clearly. And that's not all. I'll also show you how you can replicate the exact same process in just minutes using one powerful AI tool. I'm breaking down every step in detail, so hit that like button and follow along to learn the master viral formula they're all using right now. Ideation simply means coming up with ideas that are already going viral on YouTube. Even Mr. Beast takes inspiration from several other channels in his niche, like the train versus pit video. You can literally see the exact same video uploaded by other channels before Mr. Beast did it. Now we need to do the same thing. I already showed you the channels. Now you need to go to their popular uploads and look at each one of their top performing topics. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm new ideas by feeding in those topics. Just remember this, if something went viral before, it will go viral again. That's 100% true. You just need to reshape the content. And if you're struggling to brainstorm ideas using ChatGPT, I'm about to show you a tool that will seriously help you on your YouTube journey. From ideation, to scripting, to making solid thumbnails, even optimizing your videos for the best SEO. This tool does it all in one go. Let's see how it works. Let's dive into the exact tool they're using to do this at scale. It's called Tubemagic AI, and it might just be the cheat code you've been missing. Now I will tell you how you can replicate their entire system in just minutes using this tool. First, head over to Tubemagic AI. You can Google it or use the link in the description. Sign up with your email, and once you're in, this is where the magic starts. I click here. Now you can see. It want YouTube channel link here. I will paste the link of the channel Rise with Odin like this, and hit generate. Now you can see the topic with short description. You can regenerate many times to come up with great idea. It's upon you. For instance, I have chosen one great idea which I will reveal later from this tool. Now let's go straight to the macro tools section. The first stop, the channel name generator. I type in productivity. Boom, it gives me 3 name options instantly. Don't like them? Just hit generate again until something clicks. I pick one I like, and just like that, I've got a clean branded name for my new channel. No overthinking. Now, let's move to the core of the content, the script generator. You can paste in video links for inspiration, but for now, I will type the idea which is too good and have Patinial to go viral. The topic is, what if you can do 1 year work in 1 day? Set the word count to 2,000 and click generate. Within minutes, the full script is ready, and it's not generic garbage either. It's tight, clear, and 100% ready to go. You've got to see the quality to believe it. Now we've got the script. It's time to bring it to life with a voice. For this, I'm using 11 Labs. Go to their site, sign up. They give you 10,000 free characters right away. Once you're in, the interface is super clean. I set the language to English, choose an American accent, and scroll through a few male voice options. After testing a couple, I find one that sounds natural and clean. I click use, paste in the full script, hit generate, and boom. Just like that, I've got a full professional voiceover in minutes. No microphone, no recording, no hassle. With the voiceover locked in, it's time to turn it into a finished video, fast. I'm using CapCut for this, but feel free to use whatever editor you're comfortable with. First, I've already grabbed a clean background images from Pinterest, something minimal that fits the vibe. You can find tons of free options online. Then I launch CapCut, start a new project, and drag in 3 things. The voiceover, the background images and videos, and some background music I grabbed for free from Pixabay. Now I will grab images one by one according to the voiceover and adjust it over the timeline like this. Let me fast forward this part for you, and we are almost done. Then go to the text section and click auto caption. Instantly, the tool generates captions for the full video. I tweak the style and placement just a bit for a clean, consistent look. Finally, I balance the audio so the music doesn't overpower the voice. And then export. The video's done. No camera, no talking, no editing stress. Just clean, simple execution that works. Let's watch the video.
In today's fast-paced world, the idea of accomplishing a year's worth of work in just 1 day might sound like a fantasy. However, this video aims to explore the fascinating concept of maximizing productivity and efficiency. We'll delve into techniques that can help you streamline your tasks and make the most of your time.
This is awesome, man. Now here's where most people mess up. They post the video and hope for the best, but if you want real traction, you have to optimize. Back in Tubemagic AI, I head to the Optimize tab and select Wrap Upload. This is where things get automated. You can either drop the video link or just paste in your topic manually. I go with the topic method, so I will write my topic like this, and instantly, Tubemagic gives me 3 SEO optimized titles, a full YouTube description, and a full set of tags, all based on my content. This is what helps your video rank, not just get buried. You can also do titles, descriptions, and tags separately if you want more control, but I'm all about speed, and this is the fastest way to get it all done in one click. This feature alone is a total game changer. It's the kind of thing channels scaling fast are using, and now, so are you. So now we've completed everything, and it's time to talk about one of the most important parts: thumbnails. Recently, Tubemagic has launched a brand new tool specifically for thumbnails. If you go to their tools section and click on Generate New Thumbnail, I'm going to name my project Thumbnail 1 and hit Create. Now you'll see 2 options. You can paste the link of your YouTube video, or you can provide the context of your video manually. I prefer the first option, so I'll go to the rise.in channel, copy the link of one of their most popular videos, and paste it here. Now I hit Generate. As soon as I do that, you can see it instantly gives me multiple high-quality thumbnail options, complete with bold text overlays. I'll select the thumbnail I like and the text that fits. Then, I'll go into the text settings to make the font bigger and change the color to make it stand out even more. And that's it. The thumbnail is ready. We've now completed every step for the video. All that's left is to post it. Just follow this exact same process every time, stay consistent, and keep generating strong scripts and videos using the Tubemagic tool. It will seriously help you grow your YouTube channel, so definitely give it a try. The link is in the description. Now that one last thing is remaining, I promise that I will tell you a real monetization trick that none of the channels are using. Here's where this all turns from views to real money. Because yes, AdSense pays, but if you want to 10 times your income, you need to think bigger. You could easily create your own Notion template, something productivity focused, like a daily planner, content calendar, or goal tracker, and list it on Gumroad. It takes maybe an hour to build, and now you've got a digital product you can sell on autopilot. Here is how you can do it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Go to Notion and create a simple template your audience would find useful, like a YouTube content calendar, faceless channel planner, or productivity tracker. Make it clean, well organized, and easy to duplicate. Step 2. Click Share in the top right. Enable Share to Web, and check Allow Duplicate as Template. This lets others save a copy to their own Notion. Step 3. Head to gumroad.com. Create a digital product. Name it something catchy. Paste your Notion link, set a price, and upload a thumbnail. That's it. Your product is live. Step 4. Mention it casually in your videos, pin it in comments, and link it in your description. It sells in the background while your content keeps growing. Start simple. 1 digital product, 1 landing page, link it in every video. And just like that, you're not just building a YouTube channel, you're building an actual business. And remember, the gap between where you are and where you want to be is only as wide as the action you're willing to take. So start building today. And by the way, I regularly share free resources like this on my Discord and WhatsApp channels for subscribers. So if you found this helpful, feel free to join using the link in the description. I also share new money-making strategies and tips through my email newsletter, so you can sign up with your email and stay updated there too. And don't forget to check out Tubemagic AI. It can make your content journey easy. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.